Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C51 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them. And here we have to scroll in order to find security. Then let's scroll down to find more security settings and tap on encryption and credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Of course, you will have to also confirm it with the screen lock. And not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive right now, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.